Hello guys, it's Musha and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a continuation from last week's video and it is a video that I did on bentonite clay. So this is after I rinsed and cleansed my hair. Today we are going to continue this video by doing our protein treatment. So I am using the Aphogee protein treatment. I believe it's called two-step protein treatment. And so yeah, in this video that's what I'll be doing and I'll be talking to you guys through it. I decided to get the smaller version just to test it out and see how my hair will respond to this protein treatment. So I am diving right into the video by just applying. This stuff is watery, so you need to be in a place where you're going to be able to mop up and clean easily when you're applying. So yeah, I just started just applying to my hair directly from root to tip and just using my hands to distribute because I am ditching the combs in 2022. We're on a new level, okay? I'm ditching the combs. Okay, so while I'm doing my hair, I just thought I'd talk a little bit more about the protein treatment, why you need the protein treatment, how to tell if you need the protein treatment, and how often you should be doing the protein treatment. So let's dive right into it. Benefits of protein treatments on our hair. Whether you actually need a protein treatment depends on how you treat your hair on a day-to-day basis. If you routinely color, relax, and texturize or heat style your hair, then replenishing it with protein could be a game changer for you. Chemical processes and direct heat can both chip away at the hair's health. Protein treatments are meant to help fill in those gaps, revitalize areas that have been weakened. The result? Your hair shaft looks and feels smooth instead of beaten up and rough to the touch. When your hair looks brittle and freezes easily, it may be worth trying a protein treatment. Here's a little tip. Even if your curl seems healthy enough despite being subject to damaging process, investing in a monthly or bi-monthly protein treatment may help to keep your curl pattern strong. Signs that you need protein treatment ASAP. Try a protein treatment if you have any of these signs. Loss of elasticity. Hair in good condition can stretch under normal conditions without breaking. Here's how to test elasticity. Stretch your wet hair out a little and see if it easily snaps back into shape without breaking. If it does, you're good. If it breaks easily, you may need to increase how often you apply a protein mask. Serious damage. When hair has been overprocessed with chemicals, it may feel and look like seaweed when it's wet. When dry, it may feel extremely rough. This isn't regular dryness that black hair is prone to. This is damage. Although black hair is textured, when it's healthy, it's likely still soft to the touch. Severe breakage. Every single person sheds on a daily basis, but when your curls are extremely damaged due to weakness, you may find strands of it everywhere, not just on your comb or your brush, but also on your pillow, on the back of your car seat, your shirt, on the bathroom floor, and so on. It might even make a snapping or popping sound when you comb it. Does natural virgin hair need protein treatments? Let's say you have virgin hair, completely natural in texture and color. Do you still need additional protein? Even if you already steer clear of chemicals and heat, properly administered protein treatments probably won't hurt your hair. You do have to balance protein with moisture though, because too much protein might dry out your hair. Treatments do come in various strengths, so all natural types can stick to only occasionally using a mild product and avoid the more intense ones for serious issues. For curly hair that's been severely damaged, an intense protein treatment may save the day, but only for the interim. The truth is, you're only delaying the inevitable. It can help, but it can't reverse anything that has been done. Eventually, you need to get a haircut or trim to take care of your fried ends. But that's not a bad thing. Removing all split ends can help you take another step towards a healthy hair journey. In lieu of protein treatment, you can start fresh by growing new, healthy hair. It might take a whole lot of patience, but it's definitely worth it. Okay, so as you can see, I have completed my application of the protein treatment, and I am just drying my hair because that is the next step after you apply the protein treatment. They do say that you should sit under a hooded dryer, but if you don't, you can use a handheld dryer to dry your hair, because you need your hair to completely dry before you rinse it out. And you're not supposed to mess around with your hair once it's fully dry. This stuff is really sticky, and obviously at this point my hair was dry and I couldn't resist just to feel it, to touch it. It was so weird feeling my hair like that, so I was messing around with it. But they do advise, do not comb your hair, do not stretch it out, don't do any of those things. So this is after I rinsed out my hair. My hair felt really soft, yeah, and shrinkage again, obviously, as usual. So this is the next part. You rinse out the hair, and then the third part is applying the moisturizing conditioner, just to put in the moisture back into the hair. So yeah, I was just reading the instructions and what I needed to do. So I blotted my hair dry a little bit, and then I decided to apply the moisturizing conditioner. So you're only meant to leave this on for like 2 minutes and then rinse. I think I left it on for like maybe 5 or 10 minutes more. So yeah, I decided to condition and put my hair back into twist, because I usually work in twist when I'm washing my hair. I don't like to just do it as it is, because you're inviting single strand knots and tangles, and nobody's got time for that. So yeah, I just applied the conditioner everywhere, detangled my hair a little bit, and just apply the conditioner. My hair was already detangled from the previous video that I did, you guys, when I did my clay mask. Like, my hair was fully detangled. It was amazing, and to this day I'm still saying I'm going to switch full time to using clays to washing my hair, because shampoos tangle my hair. And here's me doing my quick length check. So my hair, this is 2 years worth of hair growth, because I cut off my dyed hair that I dyed back in November in 2019. And so this is my hair after I'd cut it off, and I feel like my hair literally just sprung up and grew 3 months after me cutting my hair. I cut my hair in September 2021, and this is how much my hair has grown already. Currently I am just going to be doing protective styling. I'm not going to be fussing too much about my hair. So we've come to the end of this video. All I did was rinse out my conditioner and dry my hair, and I was going to put in my next protective style, which is the next video that's coming up. So make sure you watch. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.